Hey guys, Sam and Alfie here.
And we're going on a lift tour.
And before we go, we will invite Ryan 3535, JakeAnimations, Ashtonimations, StefieB, and you, Alfie.
Yeah.
The first lift is in Plotafall Mall. In the car park, the floors locked are 1, 7, and 9.
Okay, buddy. Now I'm gonna push the button. Sam, Alfie, Jake, Ashton, and StefieB. The lift is here.
Now, let's ride this lift to floor 1.
Yeah, but Sam said level 1 is locked. So we will have to go to 2 and walk down the stairs.
Okay, I'll hit 2.
Yeah, level. No. We're stuck. Why?
Hello. Whoa, the lift's gears blew up.
Get me out of here. I want to go home. Wait a sec, Sam brought a chainsaw.
I did, and I will save the day with it.